what's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review on this 613 body weight frontal wig that I purchased with my own money from OSSILEE hair. So this wig cost me $179.20 before tax. It's a 13x6 lace wig, 250% density, and it's 20 inches long. So I ordered this wig on January 26th. I didn't get the wig till probably 2 weeks later. So yeah, there's that. And first things first, this shit, it sheds like a dog. Look at my brush. You see my brush? Yeah. Every time I run my fingers through this hair, I'm geared. Look. I don't know if y'all can see that. But just every single time. Look. Every single time I run my hands through this wig, I'm going to get hair. I'll include some clips here or somewhere on the screen. This shit is shedding like a fucking dog. Like, now it looks black in the sink, but it's blonde. It's all blonde hair. Like, that is all blonde. That'll show how much hair just literally falls out this wig. So I had to get it in, I had to end up straightening it because it was body wave. But when I tell you, I had a total, look, I had a total of probably 6 curls. This is all the hair pulled to the side. This is not giving 250% density at all. Look, every single time. And excuse me if I'm looking over here. This is where the video is, and I keep looking at myself because this shit is just ridiculous. Now, if I split it, it's just, let's just be all the way real. This shit is not 250% density. It's, look, oh my God. It's just fucking hair just falling out of this wig. And it's like, I'm not being hard on it or nothing, but every time you wipe your hands through it, every time you brush it, it's gonna just be hair coming out consistently. Like, look, like, y'all can physically see this shit going on camera, and I'm just over it. But, so I've had this hair in for about 2 weeks now, so yeah, it's giving raggedy as fuck. It probably got makeup on it. I done worked all day, so I don't give a damn. But yeah, this is crazy. This is crazy. So 100%, I do not recommend this wig unless you just want something. Find something else, sis. Don't find this at all, period. Because like I said, it's supposed to be 250% density. This shit is not even giving, this giving about 130% density. It's not giving 150, it's not giving 180, and it damn sure ain't giving no 250% density, so I don't know what the fuck they lying about. Also, I'll show you in the video, well, I'll include some clips probably over here, or I'll just put them on the whole screen or whatever. It's not a full 13x6 frontal, like, it's tracks right here, sis. Like, it's tracks right here. So the middle part, the lace goes probably like right here. So it's like one of those like this. It's like a closure with 2 inches of like parting space on the side. And bitch, that's not what the fuck I paid for. I paid for a 13x6 frontal. Why did y'all lie to me and tell me that y'all was gonna send me a full? If you ask them for a picture, they'll send you a picture of a full 13x6 frontal, and they're gonna send you this shit. Just like I ordered 250% density, and this shit is giving 130. And as y'all saw on camera, this shit is fucking, it's going to be 100% density if I wait for another week. So I'm getting ready to take this shit off. What else? I ended up getting this wig because I saw it was a girl. She did a review on YouTube, and her shit was giving what it was supposed to give. It was giving thick. It was giving beautiful body, all of that. Now, granted, this shit also tangled like a motherfucker. But, you know, I straightened it, and that's why I straightened it, because it was too tangly. And then, like I said, I'll include a video over here of me wearing it to the club one night, and I had it curled, and all the hair is in the front, and it's like 6 curls, and the ends is giving see-through. Like, what type? It's the audacity that I'm trying to tell me is 250% density. And I'll put over here, too, a copy of when I ordered it, the date I ordered it, what I paid for it, how much I paid for it, all of that. It'll be somewhere over here, or I'll put it full screen or whatever. But basically, in my opinion, shipping was a fucking lie. That shit took 2 fucking weeks. They lied and told me that it wasn't. They did include, when I did order it, I did get like some lashes, a little, you know, the little edge brush with the spatula on the end, and I think a wig cap. But bitch, I didn't ask for that. I asked for 250% density. And this ain't giving 250% density. $250% density wear. And look. So every time. Every fucking time. And then I tried to do a dispute because, okay, so normally I order my hair from Kendra's Boutique. I've been ordering from Kendra's since 2015 or 2016. I think it was 2015 that I started ordering from Kendra's, but Kendra have lost her mind with the prices. Like $700-800 for a wig, sis. Don't get me wrong, the quality is amazing on Kendra's wigs. It's just, ma'am, $800. The most that I would go was like 7 something. But come on, you getting beside yourself, sis. But this is what happens when you try and be cheap. You get cheap ass fucking AliExpress hair. I haven't bought nothing from AliExpress. No AliExpress hair. It's been some years, like, and this is why, because of shit like this. And then don't trust these YouTubers that get on here and talk about, oh yeah, the hair is amazing, this is that and the third, and they got multiple reviews for the company. 9 times out of 10, they doing it because they're supposed to be reviewing it and they're getting paid for it or something like that. I don't care if it's your favorite YouTuber, they're getting sponsorships or a free wig, it's just to fucking say that I paid for this shit with my own money, and you see what I got. This is not 250% density. It only looks like this because I flat ironed it and brushed it out before the video. And this is just, we're going to do it one more time. Oh, did we? No, we ain't getting on that time. So we're going to see. And I'm not pulling, I'm just running my fingers through. Okay, you can't see it. But it was little pieces like it's breaking off. Excuse me. But yeah, so price point for a wig on AliExpress, I say it was kind of expensive, but I guess not for $613 here. Granted, I order my shit from Krennic, so her shit's sky high, so I don't fucking know anyway. But as far as the 13x6 frontal, it's basically a closure plus 2 inches on the side, so it's like a closure headband. Because it's not a frontal. I don't care. No. The texture of the hair is nappy as fuck. The density is thin. But, yeah, so this is my 2-week review of my 613 lace frontal wig from OSSILEE hair that I paid for with my own money. And I wish I hadn't. And I never will again. Now, granted, I did buy 2 wigs at the same time. Excuse me. So I have a 24-inch straight black wig from them that I have washed, and it's just sitting on my wig stand. Like I said, I've been wearing this for 2 weeks, and I'm about to take the shit off, and I'm gonna wear the other wig just to see what it's giving, because I already paid my money for it, and I done had it for 2 weeks, And I've washed it, and you know they say once you do something to it, they're not taking it back. But we're going to see what it's going to give. And I may or may not do a review on that one. We'll see. If y'all want to see a review on that wig, comment down below. And I'll do a review on that wig for y'all too. Once I put it in, because like I said, it's been about 2 weeks for this one. And it's time for this to go. It's time for it to go. But yeah, I do want to thank you guys for watching my video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure you click the thumbs up, click the notification bell so that you know anytime I upload a video. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.